In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a winning social media strategy for your company in just a few minutes without drowning in spreadsheets or wasting hours on boring content planning. See, most people try to build their strategy by throwing random posts on LinkedIn, or worse, making every post about their company. Today, I've got something different for you. I've built an AI-powered social media strategy template that transforms your chaotic content planning into a data-driven, lead-generating machine. And the best part? It's super easy to use. Now, I've included a link to the template below that I'm going to walk you through today. First up, the Social Media Strategy Template tab. This is where the magic starts. It walks you through a step-by-step process to build a strategy that aligns with your business goals. You'll never wonder what to post or why you're posting it again. Next, we have the example template. This gives you a real-life example of what a successful strategy looks like for a software company on LinkedIn. It's like a sneak peek into our own playbook, and it's there to inspire your own posts. Now let's talk about the Social Media Strategy by Channel tab. You can customize your strategy for LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, whatever platforms you're on. The best part? You can compare all your strategies side by side. And here's where it gets really fun, the AI-powered content creation matrix. You're going to love this. You just input your ideas, and the AI generates 18 different types of posts, like how-tos, listicles, contrarian takes, even failure stories. It's like having a creative team in your pocket that never runs out of ideas. No more staring at a blank screen wondering what to post. So now you know how to create a complete social media strategy in no time and generate the content for it. No more guessing, no more wasted posts, and way more engagement. Go download the template now and start building a strategy that actually drives results. And if you're loving these AI-powered tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our VP of Sales and Marketing playbooks. See you in the next video.